Hi, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to share a really wonderful story about faith, about courage, and a very, very big promise. So get ready for an amazing adventure with Noah's Ark.
All right, to get us started, I have a little question for you to think about.
I mean, really impossible. Well, that's exactly what happened to a man named Noah. He was given a job so big it would literally change the whole world. And this is his story. Okay, let's dive right in and find out why Noah's incredible adventure was so important to begin with.
You see, a long time ago, God looked down at the beautiful world he had made, and what he saw made his heart really sad. It had become filled with unkindness, and people weren't being good to each other. But, even with all that sadness, there was one person who stood out. His name was Noah. He was a good and kind man who loved God with all his heart. He was like a bright light in a really dark time.
And because Noah was such a good man, God chose him for a very special, and I mean very big mission. So let's find out what that was all about. So God gave Noah a really clear three-part plan. And get this, Noah wasn't even a shipbuilder. Can you imagine? But he listened so carefully and chose to trust God, even when the job must have seemed just huge. So what is an ark exactly? Well, you can think of it like a giant floating safe house, a huge boat built to protect everyone inside and keep them safe and sound on the water. And here's the really important part. Noah didn't just listen. He showed his faith by actually getting to work. He and his family started the long, hard job of building this enormous boat, following every single one of God's instructions. Then, as the ark started to come together, something truly incredible started to happen. 2 by 2, animals of every kind, from the tallest giraffes to the tiniest little mice, just started showing up, all on their own. So once Noah, his whole family, and all of those animals were tucked safely inside, the big doors of the ark closed, and their great big adventure was just about to begin.
And then, it started to rain. And it didn't just rain for a little while. This number right here is a really big clue. It rained for 40 days and 40 nights. I mean, can you imagine? The rain just kept pouring and pouring without stopping until the water covered absolutely everything.
And that's the real miracle of the ark, isn't it? While the whole world outside was covered by a great big flood, everyone inside was perfectly safe and totally dry, just floating on top of all that water. After a long time, the rain finally stopped. Phew! The water slowly started to go down, but the world was still pretty much a giant ocean. So how would they know when it was safe to come out? Well, it was time for a tiny bit of hope from a very special little friend. Noah needed to figure out if there was any dry land out there. He couldn't just peek outside, so he had this really smart idea. So he opened up a window and sent out a little bird, a dove, to be his scout, to fly out and see if it could find any place to rest. The first time, the dove just came right back. But Noah waited, and he sent it out again. And this time, it came back with a fresh olive leaf in its little beak. And that was the sign they had all been waiting for. It meant that trees were growing again. It meant that hope was back. Wow. That tiny little olive leaf was such a powerful sign, wasn't it? It meant the flood was over, and a brand new beginning for everyone on the ark, and for the whole world, was right around the corner. And finally, when God told him it was time, Noah opened those big doors. He, his family, and all the animals walked out onto dry ground and took their very first steps into a beautiful, clean, brand new world. And right then, as they looked around at this new world, God put something beautiful in the sky for them, and for all of us, as a special sign of his love. That sign was the rainbow. You see, the rainbow is God's promise. It's this beautiful symbol of hope that reminds us that after every storm, there's always peace and a new beginning. This incredible story of faith shows us that even when things seem impossible, trusting that we're being looked after can help us get through even the biggest storms. So the next time you see a rainbow, I hope you remember Noah and the beautiful promise of hope that it represents. Thanks so much for exploring this story with me today.